Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Writesonic for product descriptions in Shopify. To enable Writesonic for product descriptions in Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Writesonic and hit enter. Locate the Writesonic app from the search results. Click on the app to view its details. Select the Add App button to install Writesonic. Follow the prompts to grant the required permissions. Once the app is installed, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Find and click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. Look for Writesonic in the list of installed apps. Click on the Writesonic app to launch it. You may need to log in or create an account with Writesonic if you haven't already. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the product description feature within the Writesonic app. Select the option to generate new product descriptions. Input the necessary product details, such as name and key features. Choose your preferred tone and style for the description. Click on the Generate button to create your product description. Review the generated content for accuracy and relevance. Make any necessary edits or adjustments to better fit your brand voice. Once satisfied with the description, copy the content. Return to your Shopify store and go to the product section. Select the product for which you want to update the description. In the product editing page, locate the description field. Paste the Writesonic generated description into the field. Save your changes to update the product description. Repeat this process for any additional products you wish to update. Your Shopify store is now enhanced with engaging product descriptions generated by Writesonic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.